Guys, welcome to EIKV, and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, Kiran, who trade in shares in spot market, the following rule: when price rising, buy, and when price is falling, sell. She ensures that her portfolio is intact at the end of every 3 months, even if she buys and sells in between. She is the first timer in the option market and wishes to apply the above rule in the option market, where she understands that buy equates to call option and sell equates to put option for a 3 month horizon. The following information is available for 5 securities of which Kiran holds sufficient quantities. Then they have given a table which containing scripts and then spot price, outlook, and exercise price. So script Gavin, it is 345 increased by 50% and 400 is the exercise price. In DTV 395 increased by 10% and the exercise price is 430. Pune Durivol, it is price is 260 increased by 5%, decreased by 5% and the exercise price is 250. ITC Limited share price is 160 increased by 5% and exercise price is 170. TCS 1120 decreased by 10% and the exercise price is 1000. If the expectation translate into actual and the Kiran follows her spot market rule in option market as well, how much she would have earned in the option market, you may assume that she will deal only with 100 units of the script at a time and exercise her option come what may. What would have been the position if she had opted for option? Not based on spot market rule, but based on option market rule. That is, exercise is greater than exercise price, put, and expected exercise price is greater than expected price is greater than exercise price, then call option. So what is the lesson in this learned? Lesson to be learned: ignore transaction cost, time value of money, and cost of option. So guys, going ahead with the solution, we have the script name and then spot price and outlook, actual price, and the option selected. So in the illustration they have given that if the expectation translate into the actual, Kiran fulfilled her spot market role in option market as well. So the Kiran is doing like when it is, if the outlook is to increase, then she will buy call option, and if it is decrease, then she will call put option. So the spot price would be 345 as given in the illustration, and the actual price would be 396.75, 364, which would be taken like from here increase, that is 345 into 1.15, which gives you 396, and 395 into 1.1 give you 434, and 260 into 95.95 will give you 247, and 100 into 1.05 will give you 168, and 1120 into 0.9 will give you 108. So this scenario, if the outlook is increased, then she will go ahead with the call option, and if it is reversed, she will go, that is, if the outlook is decreasing, then she will call for put option. So in such scenario, the how it will affect the option market, or how the net result will occur, you will find it So for that I have made a table containing 6 columns. Number 1, which is the script. Number 2, 3 months spot price, which we have taken from the above table, that is the actual price after 3 months. So which is computed as per the outlook from the spot price. And the strike price has been written 400, 430, 250, 170 and 1000. So in the outlook also taken from the above table, that is first one will be call option and then put, then call put. Now the financial effect, how it will affect. So the action would be, if the outlook is increasing, then he will go ahead with call option. But over here excess price is 400, so buy the stock of rupees 400 and sell at rupees 397. So it would be like, after 3, if you go for a call option, then you need to buy the stock after 3 months, right? Yes, but the strike price would be 400, but the current stock price would be only 397, so you need to sell that stock only for rupees 397, but while by purchasing 400, and you need to sell only for rupees 300, therefore there will be a loss, which will be 300 rupees, that is 100 script into 397 minus 400. Next one, NDTV, the expected will be, the outlook will be increasing, which is for 34, and the strike price would be 430. So if you're going for an option, call option market, the exercise price would be 430, and at that time the market will be 434. So in over here he can purchase it with 430 and he can sell it with 434. So buy stock at rupees 430 and sell stock with 434. So there will be a gain of rupees 400, that is 100 into 437 which we have sold, and 430 which we have purchased. So the difference into 100, that is 3 into 100, which gives a gain of rupees 300. Next one, punch there, the increased price after 3 months will be 247, but the excise price is 240. So here the outlook is decreasing, therefore the put option has been taken. So put option means right to sell. So over here we can sell the product or sell the stock for rupees 250, and we can buy the product for rupees 247. So in such scenario we can sell the product with 250 and buy the product with 240, so there will be a gain of rupees 3 rupees. So 3 into 100 will give you a gain of 300. 250 minus 247 into 100. And next one, ITC Limited, after 3 months it would be 167, but the excess price is 170, and the option taken would be call option. So we need to buy for rupees 170 and we need to sell it with rupees 168 there. Therefore there will be a loss of rupees through 2 per share into 100 will give you a loss of rupees 200. Next one, TCS, expectation is 1008, but the strike price is 1000. Option is put, therefore we can sell the stock with rupees 1000 and we can buy the stock with rupees 1008. So it would be like a loss for rupees 8. So 8 into 100 units will give you a loss of rupees 800. So when we take the total, it will be over the entire portfolio, there will be a loss of rupees negative 600 or minus 600. Now it is the second answer for the second question or second requirement, choice of option, action market rules. So choose the option or expected price. So this is the exact position how you should do in the option market. So this table they have given the option script has been given 5 script, and their spot price after 3 months is also given, and their outlook and exercise price or actual price has been given. So stock price and actual price has been given. Now we can select which should be happening. So over here, if the actual price is 396.75 and the spot price would be another column of rupees strike price has also been added. So from here we can check whether you should go ahead with put option or call option. So first the actual price would be 396, but the strike price would be 400. So we can check like strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell. So over here we can buy or sell for rupees 400. So the actual price is 396, right? So the best option should be we can sell at rupees 400, right? And we can buy for rupees 396. So first you need to check which one is higher. So for that we can draw another table for which we can select which one will be higher. So I have made it another column for which we can check whether which one is higher. So in the first example we can find that the selling price is higher. So we can, if selling price is higher, we can sell that product for rupees 400. So in that scenario we can have the put option. The put option is right to sell. So we can sell for rupees 400, at the same time we can purchase it from the market for rupees 396. Okay, in second one, while checking the second one we can find that the actual price is higher. So if actual price is higher, we can buy for rupees 430 and we can sell for rupees 434. So it will be call option. So right to buy is a call option. The third option it will be 250, that is strike price is higher. If strike price is higher, we can sell for rupees 250 and purchase for rupees 249. So right to sell is put option. Next one, we can find that the spot price is higher. SP spot price would be higher. So in that scenario we can sell the product for rupees 170 and we can purchase for rupees 168. So the option will be put option. Next one will be the actual price is higher. So in that scenario we can buy for rupees 1000 and we can sell it for rupees 1008, right? So in that scenario we should buy it for rupees 1000. So right to buy is call option. So call option is selected over here. Now the statement showing computation of, so this is statement for computation of profit. So it would be the first script is reason 11 and the spot price would be after 3 months it would be 395. The strike price would be 400 and it would be a put option. So we can sell at rupees 400. Therefore we can purchase it from market for 395 and we can sell it for 400 with a profit of 3 into 100, which will be 300. So this is not 30, it would be 300. Next one, NDTV. NDTV we have call option. Call option means we can purchase it with rupees 430. So we will purchase it with 430 and we will sell it the market for rupees 434. So we will get a profit of rupees 400, which is 434 minus 400 into 100. Next one, it would be a put option. Put option we can write to sell, so we can purchase it with rupees 247 and we can sell it to rupees 250. So in such scenario there will be a profit of rupees 3 and we are dealing in rupees 100 units of shares, therefore 3 into 100 which is 300. ITC Limited, we have put option, so we have the right to sell at rupees 170. We can purchase it rupees 168. The difference of rupees 2 will be the profit. 2 into 100, which is the profit will be 200. Now TCS, as we discussed, it will be a call option, so we have the right to buy for rupees 1000. So we will buy for rupees 1000 and we will sell for rupees 1008. So 8 rupees will be the profit, and which we deal with rupees 100, so there will be a profit of rupees 800. Therefore the total gain would be 2000. So inference will be the first one: in the cash market, movement in the price is relevant. The option market, the expected price on the date of expiry and the strike price is relevant. Second, gain or loss under option is based on the exercise price and the spot price at the date of expiry, and not on the basis of direction of movement of strike price. Inference number 3: in a rising market, buying a call option may still not yield a return if the expected price is less than the exercise price. The call option and put option can be bought both under the bearish market as well as the bullish market. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.